Hi, I'm Alan. This is my best friend, Becky.
Is that...
Do you know how old Becky is?
Don't tell them my age.
I'm not. I wasn't. The point is you're young.
Yes, true. I am young.
I mean, you're not a kid.
No, I'm 35.
Don't tell them your age.
Nerds! Okay, edit that out. And my age.
We will.
The point is, despite my youth, I have Parkinson's disease.
Which I found out.
Because I told him.
When I found out, I was like, what?
Yeah, he was.
Because Parkinson's is an old person disease. No offense, olds.
And no offense, me.
How great is she?
Super great, yeah.
Right? So when I found out, I wanted to do something, but I'm thinking, what can I do? I'm just a photographer. What can I do? What can a photographer do?
He figured it out eventually.
I can do photography.
He's pretty, but slow.
That was kind of a burn. Hey, do you want in on this high five?
Me?
Oh, I should mention, this is the real Alan. My name's Mark, I'm an actor.
I'm Annie. I'm an actress. It's like a lady actor, but it's not worse. It's just different.
First of all, look how pretty the real Alan is. Seriously, he's way prettier than me, but also way slower.
Want me to high five you about how I'm slow?
But pretty.
For Becky.
Fine.
Awesome. Now scoop.
Okay, so yeah, we're actors. Becky is across the ocean, and Alan, I mean, he's so sweet and so pretty. He can't pull this off.
But we can. I'm Mark.
And I'm Annie.
And we have charisma.
For miles.
That's right. That's why the real Alan asked us to do this for the real Becky, who is really, really great. I promise. Otherwise, none of us would be doing this.
He, Alan, is trying to organize a gallery show about Parkinson's.
Right, using his photography skills, remember from before. So he's taken images of all of these celebrities who support research for a cure, as well as photos of actual sufferers who will then write about their experiences living with Parkinson's.
Yeah, so far, Alan has photographed such luminaries as Terry Gilliam, Stephen Fry, Grant Morrison, Neil Gaiman, Kevin Smith, and there's more to come. You know, we should put some photos up while I'm saying all this stuff.
Good call.
Yeah. In addition to the traveling gallery show, which he hopes to take around the world, he plans on selling limited edition prints and a photo book.
Right, and all of this requires money, which you know because you are here.
What if it's their first time on Kickstarter?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not.
Okay, well, Kickstarter is a great place for real people to raise funds for real projects, like we're doing with this.
They knew all of that already, by the way.
Well, Kickstarter also gives incentives for donating.
Oh, that's right. And the incentives for this project include copies of the book, signed prints from the gallery shows, and even your own photo shoot.
And the knowledge that you have done something good in the world.
Yeah, good in the world plus stuff that you get. Hello, incentives. Anyway, thank you for listening. Keep checking back for updates from the real Alan.
The real Becky.
And some supporters. And thank you for helping us to eliminate Parkinson's.
And who knows, maybe you'll even see the two of us again.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Annie.
That's Alan.
And you're you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, I'm Neil Gaiman, and I'm here in Alan Marto's very, very strange studio and hoping to illuminate Parkinson's.
Hi, I'm Kevin Smith. You want to help make some art? Help us out via Kickstarter.